enjoying all the benefits of your BIBO, and it's now time to change the UV lamp. Don't panic, it's super straightforward and we're here to talk you through it. Your UV lamp needs changing every 12 months to keep your water free from bacteria. Your BIBO will tell you when you need to change your UV lamp, and if you're on our handy delivery service, you will already have your lamp ready for this change. Start by removing the black lid of your BIBO. With this removed, you will see the UV lamp towards the front of your BIBO. Locate the UV lamp key that is supplied with your new lamp. Insert the key into the red slot on the top of your UV lamp. Release the latch and rotate the UV lamp anti-clockwise into the open position. Pull the UV lamp up and out of the BIBO and pop it into your recycling. Take your new lamp out of its packaging and insert it carefully. Do make sure you are installing it the right way round. The red slot needs to be between the open and closed position. Rotate the lamp clockwise into the closed position. It's now time to reset your countdown timer. Press the white menu key once. Press the red cup 5 times to scroll through the menu. Press the white menu key to enter your filter change setting and scroll to select the UV lamp. Reset the countdown timer by pressing the white menu key to confirm and save. It should now say 360 days remaining. After 30 seconds, the screen will revert back to the home screen and you can continue enjoying the benefits of drinking pure filtered water.